Right now, millions of people are walking around with a liver that is slowly filling with fat, and most of them don't even realize it. What makes this more concerning is that your liver can lose a large portion of its function before you ever notice any clear symptoms. You may feel a little tired, a bit bloated, or just not as energetic as you used to be, but nothing that seems serious enough to worry about. And that's exactly why this problem keeps getting worse silently. I'm Dr. Amelia Rose, and today I want to explain something very important that most people completely overlook. Your liver is not just sitting there doing nothing, it's one of the hardest working organs in your body. Every day, it processes nutrients, filters toxins, and most importantly, manages how your body stores and uses fat. But when that system starts slowing down, fat begins to build up inside the liver itself. This is where things start to go wrong. As we get older, especially after the age of 40 or 50, the liver's ability to break down fat naturally begins to decline. There's a process inside your body. You can think of it as your liver's internal fat clearing system. When it's working properly, it keeps your metabolism running smoothly and prevents fat from building up where it shouldn't. But when this system slows down, fat starts accumulating inside liver cells. Over time, those cells become swollen and less efficient. Your metabolism begins to slow. You feel heavier, more tired, and less motivated. That sluggish feeling after meals becomes normal. Your energy drops in the afternoon. And gradually, your body starts holding onto fat instead of burning it. But it doesn't stop there. When your liver becomes overloaded with fat, it doesn't just affect your weight. It affects everything. Toxins are not cleared as effectively. Inflammation begins to rise quietly inside your body. Hormones start to lose balance. And something even more concerning begins to happen. Small, invisible damage starts building up inside liver cells every single day. You won't feel it. You won't see it. But it's happening. Now, most advice you hear is very basic. Eat less sugar, avoid alcohol, lose some weight. And yes, those things do help to some extent. But they don't address the real issue. They don't fix the actual system inside your liver that is responsible for clearing fat. That's the missing piece. The good news is this: your liver has an incredible ability to recover. This fat buildup is not permanent. It can be reversed. But for that to happen, your body needs the right signals and the right nutrients to restart that fat-burning process. And this is where certain foods come in. Not all foods are equal when it comes to liver health. Some may support it slightly, while others can actually activate the processes that help your liver start clearing fat again. Today, I'm going to walk you through a few of these foods, starting from the least effective to the most powerful, so you understand exactly where to focus your effort. Let's begin with something simple: radishes. Radishes are often mentioned in liver health discussions because they contain natural compounds that support bile production. Bile is important because it helps your body break down fats. But here's the reality: the effect is quite mild. You would need to consume very large amounts regularly to see a noticeable difference. For most people, radishes can help maintain basic liver function, but they won't reverse fat buildup on their own. Next, we have dandelion greens with lemon. Dandelion has been used for years in traditional remedies, and it does support liver enzymes. Adding lemon can improve absorption and provide vitamin C, which helps your body's natural detox systems. However, the effect is gradual. It takes consistent use over weeks to notice small improvements. And for some people, especially those on certain medications, it may not always be suitable. Now we start getting into more powerful options. Turmeric, especially when combined with black pepper and a bit of ginger, can have a much stronger effect. The active compound in turmeric supports the reduction of fat accumulation in the liver. Ginger helps improve circulation, and black pepper significantly increases absorption. Together, they create a combination that supports liver function more effectively than using any one ingredient alone. Moving further, foods like arugula with olive oil offer another interesting benefit. Arugula contains natural compounds that help your liver process and eliminate toxins more efficiently. When paired with healthy fats like olive oil, it can also signal your body to start using stored fat as energy. This combination has been part of traditional diets for generations, even before people understood the science behind it. Then we have garlic. Raw garlic is one of the most powerful natural foods for liver support. When crushed and allowed to sit briefly, It releases compounds that activate enzymes responsible for detoxification. Many people notice improvements in energy and digestion when they use it regularly. However, it does require consistency, and the strong taste can be challenging for some. And finally, one of the most effective combinations, beetroot with ginger and lemon. Beetroot contains natural pigments and compounds that directly support liver function and fat metabolism. When combined with ginger and lemon, it creates a powerful blend that supports circulation, digestion, and fat breakdown. This combination works both quickly and over time, helping your liver gradually return to a healthier state. But here's something important to understand. No single food is a miracle solution. What truly makes a difference is consistency. These foods work by supporting your body's natural processes, and those processes take time. You may start noticing small changes within days, like reduced bloating or slightly better energy. But the deeper improvements happen over weeks. Another key factor is timing and habits. If you continue eating processed foods, high-sugar meals, or late-night snacks, you're constantly working against your liver. Even the best foods won't be as effective if your overall routine is putting stress on your metabolism. Your liver wants to heal. It's designed to recover, but it needs the right conditions. This means giving your body nutrient-rich foods, reducing unnecessary stress from poor diet choices, and allowing your system to function the way it was meant to. In the end, this is not about extreme diets or complicated plans. It's about understanding how your body works and making simple, consistent choices that support it. Because the truth is, your metabolism is not broken. It has just been working under the wrong conditions for too long. Change those conditions, and your body will start responding in ways you may not have thought possible.